Ahoy, Lather Games. Today I'm shaving with Holy Cow, maybe? Holy Cow, I think. The Twice as Spice, Old Spice dupe. Pretty good lather. Quite a nice scent, pretty old spicy. See. Yeah, pretty nice base as well. I've never used this base. And this brush, I didn't give too many comments on this brush yesterday, but it's pretty nice. Especially now, I think my problem yesterday was I didn't put enough water into the brush when I was loading it. Because it really is quite dry in the loading and a bunch of the lather got stuck in the brush itself. In the bottom, kind of. But no, also it's a bit more broken in. On the website of the AP shaving with the knot is from, I think they said that it needs to wild break in more, but yeah, already doing pretty good. And for today we're using the Eldormar Industries MM24 with, I think, a Gem FE, whatever the name of that Persona blade is. Okay. Pretty busy day today because we went to the farmers market and it was pretty packed there. But they raised all their prices over there at that farmers market, and it's hardly a farmers market, it's more of a junk market now. But still a fun time. This blade is a bit crooked, so I'm going to fix that. Thing with the gem blades is they can always, you have to line them so it's good like that. Okay, looking good. Okay, and Eldormar said that I have to kind of clogs pretty easy, so I have to be careful of that.
Mom took a seat.
That's a really nice razor. Not too efficient, but efficient enough. And this is actually only probably my second shave with this razor. So this blade has only one use before this so far. But quite nice, and for supporting such a great guy making them. And
sorry. Okay.
pretty nice. Okay. Yeah, super wet lather. Pretty good. Super smooth.
We're not gonna take any skin off today.
Well, I don't know. Sometimes gem razors are pretty dangerous. The thing about gem razors, kind of Brady has that angle you really want to like almost ride the cap. It's super cap heavy, so super close to the cap. Some people even have it on their skin, the cap on their skin. But, okay. We'll do some touch-up. We'll do one more pass, just for fun. Well, we have so much lather in this brush.
Oh, Nikes, I got in there.
Okay. We'll do cross.
That's a nice razor. I like it.
No, and super smooth shave today. It's like no blade feel whatsoever. I need some washing out though. Got a bit of soap in my mouth. Tastes soapy. Guess I had some pirate's mouth, so I had to wash it out with soap. Okay. Well, I think that's done with the shave. I'll wash it off. And for today, we're supposed to honor, what's his name, Priusaurus. So sadly, I don't have any Prius, and we were going to do, I was thinking, I had it in my mind, but I never actually acted on it. I wanted to go to the Natural History Museum and take some pictures with the dinosaur for today, but forgot about it. So then today, we will use some alum. As always, I think for the lather games, we need all the aftershave astringents and aftershaves we can get at the end of the 30 days. My face is going to be killing me. And tomorrow I'll do my rant on why I hate this alum block and on how I want an Ozma for Onion Miasma Day. But I'll talk more about that tomorrow. Okay. No irritation at all. No cuts today. Of course, I always have my teenage acne. That's the trouble that most of you don't have to deal with, but I do. Then today we had to go to Walmart and pick up some of the Old Spice aftershave for this because I forgot. I was going to use it for today, but then I forgot I gave my old one to my brother. But this is the American one, so it's not quite the old scent. I'm thinking about ordering some Indian Old Spice eventually, but it is still amazing. It's still great. One of my favorite aftershaves, but I gave it away, so glad I got a new one.
Your brother doesn't like sharing.
I'll wipe my hands off. Now today I'll try not to get talc everywhere. Canard Clubman talc.
I'm the
finest powder. Okay. See, maybe if I run on my hands in here. A bit less ghosty and a bit less messy than yesterday. I think I should have dried my face off first a bit. Someday I'll have a brush dedicated just to talc. Maybe that would have I made a bit of a mess of the sink, but that's nothing I can't clean up. Today, for our fragrance, we're using the Zoo Sailors. And this is not an Old Spice dupe, but I thought Sailors would
Can
fit
we
the
see
theme.
the sailors again? I think it was blurry.
Sailors.
Ooh.
Then one more bonus for today. Let me grab it. One moment. Stay here. Just my favorite deodorant, the Old Spice Classic. And that'll do it for today's shave. Thank you very much.